I'm in Disney. I have a last minute decision to come to Walt Disney World for a couple of days. I am just as surprised as you guys to be here. So expect some vlogs and different things coming. We are staying in Copper Creek, so I will be doing a full hotel and room tour for you guys on that. If you are concerned, the vegan series and the other series that I'm doing at the moment will be coming back once I've posted all the videos from this trip, but there will be a few vlogs to come. We're heading to Animal Kingdom today and we're hoping to get on Flight of Passage this morning. So we're still in early morning hours, it's about 8:45. We're going to be queuing for about 90 minutes, but the queue's already up to 2.5 hours. So we're thinking it's actually going to be more like an hour queue, which is actually pretty good.
But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
Ichneumia. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
Since I literally booked my flights 12 hours before leaving the house, I unfortunately don't have any fast passes. So the others have gone on the Nava River journey and I've been sent to go get everybody coffee. So it was supposed to be Sam and somehow he got Nan. Love that.
Chalks up! On the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3! To the Festival of the Lion King!
We've just come out of the Festival of the Lion King show, which was really cool. We're going to go to Expedition Everest now, but it's a fast pass and I obviously don't have it. So I'm going to see if I can get on it through the single rider queue. If not, I'll probably just wait for a bit and see if these guys can get some footage for me. I somehow managed to get in the fast pass queue, so we just got to get on Expedition Everest now.
Everesting.
The hair grip! Harambe market for lunch and I've got the vegetable rice bowl. We ordered it by the mobile order, which is actually really cool. So if you have the My Disney Experience app, you can do that quite easily. If you head onto it and go for order food, you can order it through there and you can just wait and they call you up when it's ready, which saves you waiting in line for ages as well, which is pretty good. Now you just have to hold it. It'll make you like. Yeah. There you go.
Oh yeah, we have a whole line. Here, everyone. Welcome to
From row seats on Kilimanjaro Safari.
You can also see a fairly large bird known as the saddle-billed stork, named for that yellow saddle-shaped shield at the top of their bill there. On the left-hand side, you can just see the tops of a few heads and backs there. Now, hippos are able to hold their breath for up to about 8 minutes at a time. Island in the center of the river, you can also find some pink-backed pelicans. Now, their backs might not look particularly pink right now, but pink-backed pelicans get that name because during their mating season, the skin of their backs does become such a vibrant pink color that it's visible even through their feathers.
That's scary.
Vultures. Yeah. This old bridge just ahead, if you look out to the left-hand side here, it looks like there are quite a few Nile crocodiles all along the riverbank there. Now, Nile crocodiles are pretty impressive.
Whoa.
Their diet is made up of mostly fish, but they can take down prey as large as a wildebeest with those powerful jaws of theirs. Now, these African painted dogs are the most successful predators in Africa, thanks largely to their incredible teamwork as a pack. Now, right up close to us here, we're also passing by some Ankoli cattle. Thankfully, those very large horns of theirs are not nearly as heavy as they look like they would be. So you may also be able to spot a couple of African elephants just across the watering hole from us there on the right-hand side.
And it's the Mickey Head Island as well, if anyone has a
Greater flamingos are also the lightest pink in coloration, a color they get from those brine shrimp that makes up most of their diet, rich in beta-carotene. I'm going to be pausing for some ostrich crossing here. Now, I mentioned that they can run up to about 40 miles per hour, but when crossing the road, they almost never do. She's got swagger.
Yeah, I got it.
We're just about to go on the Rafiki Planet Watch train. I don't actually think we've ever been on this before. It's been closed. We have been on it.
First time we came.
We have been on it, but I don't remember. But we're about to go on it now. I do not remember this.
To come to see that.
So it turns out we've randomly fast passed this drawing thing that we're gonna go and do in a minute. You have to like sit there and draw stuff, except none of us can draw. What are we doing? So that's what we're drawing.
I'm on the side now, you can see me like I was here.
Yeah, that's true.
What it's supposed to look like.
Yep, and then I had them. If you don't know
What it
who
looks
that is, I don't know how you make this.
Another one?
That's good. We use
Yours is good.
food to inspire us to be able to call TikTok. You are now continuing a tradition begun by them many, many years ago.
We've just been to get some ice lollies and now we're going to go and watch the Finding Nemo the musical.
A boat! I've seen a boat! Follow me!
Thank you.
La 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 la. Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim. We here?
I'm trying to find Nemo. You were showing me because the boat went.
A boat! I've seen a boat. Follow me.
So basically, oh my god. This is so crazy, guys. So we were in the little, no we weren't, we were in the Nemo show and I felt really faint, so I fell on the floor. And then she looked like such a mess right now. And then I was like, okay, I'll be alright. So I went and sat down and watched the show for like 5 minutes. And then I was like, oh, I can't do this. So I went up to the top and I was literally feeling so ill. I was lying on the floor. And then I went outside and I literally threw up and I was so ill. So when we went outside, they're like, you alright? And I was like, yeah, I'd probably be fine, to be honest. And then they were like, do you want some medical attention? We were like, no, we'll be alright, we'll just have a wheelchair and go back. And then basically I was still feeling really ill. I couldn't even stand up without like almost passing out. So we had to get the paramedics in, and it turns out I have like dangerously low blood pressure. They wanted to send me into the hospital with an IV to get my fluids up, but I was like, no thanks, I'll be alright. Yeah. So now we're in the first aid centre and I'm just lying on this bed. So I ended up in a wheelchair. We're just back at the hotel now, so hopefully I should all be fine. Thank you to everyone at Disney who's helped, because honestly they've been so amazing. Nothing's been too much trouble. I did almost end up in the hospital and they were going to pay for me getting to and from the hospital, everything. Oh wow, my hair is looking really great right now. Everything was going to be sorted. So honestly, like, thank you to everyone at Disney. If you ever have any like medical issues, just know that you will be well looked after. They've done so much for us. They got us a taxi back from the park to our hotel, but I literally look like such a mess. So that was really, really good. It is now the next day. I'm like okay now. I didn't end up having to go into the hospital or anything like that. It's around 12:30. I've decided not to go in the parks just yet because I didn't think it would be the best idea, but I did just want to update you all and say that I am okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video wasn't too much of a mess because I feel like so much went on. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to remind everybody that the giveaway is still on. All you have to do to enter is like this video, comment down below what your favourite animal is, and subscribe to my channel. You can go and check out my last video if you want all the information on it, but if you want to just simply enter, those are the things you need to do. I said I would be doing the draw this Saturday, but I think I might actually extend the giveaway a little bit longer. Make sure to stay tuned because hopefully I will get a vlog out from today for Thursday. It just depends how I feel, maybe a bit later. If not, I'm sure there'll be one tomorrow. So that's all for this vlog and I'll see you next time. Bye!